If we teach today as we taught yesterday, we rob our children of tomorrow. We are living in exceptional times. We have access to learning and education in places never seen possible. The world our children face is rapidly changing, requiring new skills and preparation to be ready for college, career, and citizenship. Blended learning provides teachers with the tools necessary to personalize learning for our students. Students no longer have to rely solely on teachers to receive information. Direct, explicit teaching should no longer be the primary model. We should instead make the learning process more exciting. Students should come in every day excited to learn. We must spark that want to learn. Blended learning combines traditional learning methods and online resources. Students have options to learn through different stations. Students can work at their own pace or accelerate their own learning. Teachers can facilitate learning in a personalized way. And students can collaborate with peers and assist one another through problem solving. Students will have the opportunity to access online learning or the curriculum in class or at home 24 hours a day. We have all of the tools necessary. So what is stopping us? What are we waiting for? Let's begin instilling that want to learn in our students today. Let's put the fun back into learning. Let's build a brighter future. Let's transform the way we educate.